Want to transfer files between your phone and PC wirelessly without any hassle? You need to check out AirDroid app for Android. It's a versatile tool that lets you transfer files wirelessly, making your life a whole lot easier. First off, let's get AirDroid installed on your Android device. Click the link in the description box to download the app on your Android phone. Once it's installed, open it up and you will be welcomed by this message saying that you need to create an account. This is totally unnecessary, because we will use it as a tool to share files via the connected Wi-Fi network, and that's without needing to be online at all. So click skip on the top right-hand corner. Now open AirDroid Web. You will notice that there are two options. The first one is by using the web account, which is not advisable. The second option is the one that we will use. You will notice that there is an IP address. We will save it and go to the next step. Now, head over to your PC and make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Android device. Open the browser and write the IP address that we got from the app. Once you enter the IP address, the app on the phone will give you a notification that there is a device trying to connect to the app. Tap Accept, and you will be welcomed with this nice UI. Now we've successfully connected the PC to the phone. As you can see, this app gives you more than just transfer capability. It's like a whole system that lets you do whatever you want. Now let's try transferring files. On your computer screen, click on the Files icon. This opens up a file manager that displays the contents of your phone. Just navigate to the destination folder and select one or many files and folders, then click Download. This will transfer files from the phone to the PC easily. Now if you want to transfer files from the PC to the phone, go to this toolbox and click on File. Here you can upload a folder or multiple files. This app works with all devices that have browsers, so in theory, you can transfer files between your Android phone and iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Windows wirelessly. As I said before, AirDroid isn't just for file transfers. It offers a bunch of other features too. You can mirror your phone screen, manage your contacts and messages, and even access your phone's camera remotely. All these features are easily accessible from the web dashboard, making it a powerful tool for managing your Android device. If you want another way to transfer files, watch this video next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.